Now let's have a look on the medium security level and see if we can inject our code and run JavaScript code on the target website. So this is the exploit that we're using, or the payload that we're using. So I just want to, before I change the security level to medium, I want to show you what the website look like. So if we just right click in here on the hello and go to inspect element, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. So this will actually show us the source code for this specific part of the web page. So if we look at it, you'll see that we have hello, which is being written automatically by the program, and the hello is followed by this script that we injected. So it's being injected exactly the same way that we write it in the text box, which is why it's being executed on the web page. So we can see script alert XSS, and then the script tag is closed, which is causing the script to be executed on the page. Now let's go ahead and increase the security level, and we're going to set it to medium. Now we're going to go back to the XSS reflected, and I'm going to paste the same exploit that we're using, hit submit, and you'll see that it's not going to work. Also notice in the low security level, we only seen hello and everything here was blank. We didn't see anything. Now we see alert XSS. So it's not, the pop-up is not showing up. And if we look at the code, you'll see that the start of the tag and the end of the tag are not being injected in here. So it's being filtered somehow, because all we see here is just hello, and then we can see the alert XSS. That's why the code is not being executed, because it's not placed inside the script tags. This tells us that they probably are using some sort of a filter, removing the script from here. Now there is so many ways that you can bypass filters and other type of protection from XSS. The best resource is a cheat sheet made by OWASP 10, which can be located on the following link. Now I'm gonna add this link in the resources of this video. For now, I'm actually not gonna use anything that's mentioned in the link. We're just gonna do something that's really simple, because I think all they're doing is they're just looking for this word and they're removing it from the input. So we can use the exact same exploit right here. Instead, we're just gonna do what we used to do with the SQL injection and just capitalize some of the letters. So we're gonna have script. I'm just gonna capitalize it like this. And then I'll capitalize this one as well. I'll probably just add an R in here. And then I'm going to inject this in the page. And as you can see now, this works, which allowed us to bypass the filter used on that website. Now this is a really simple way of exploiting it. Now some websites actually check for quotes and enable magic quotes, which basically remove the quotes from the string that you input, from the text that you input. And in a future video, we'll see how we bypass that. That's also included in the cheat sheet that I'm going to add in the description in the resources. Also, there is a number of nice exploits or payloads that's included in the cheat sheet as well. For example, you can inject stuff as an A tag. You can inject stuff as an event, as a JavaScript event. So when the mouse goes over that particular part, the code will be executed. And you can also inject it. You can give an image and give a wrong source code and get the script to run when there is an error. Since you're given a wrong source code or source URL for the image, the code will work anyway. Let's have a look on this one. So again, we're just going to paste it in here. And as you can see, the code will work here. Now all of this is included in the cheat sheet, and you can go ahead in there. I'm going to add it in the video resources. You can have a look on them and try them all.